Here are some etiquettes to observe when you reciting the Holy Quran. Purification. Ablution is a condition for reciting the Holy Quran.
Keep the Quran in a clean place and hold the Quran with respect. Say, I seek refuge in Allah from the accursed devil before reciting.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
Recite the Quran with humility and focus, read slowly and thoughtfully.
Recite the Holy Quran with the intention to understand and act upon it. Reflect and ponder upon the verses of the Quran.
Avoid distractions like mobile, laptop or anything during recitation. Listen to the Quran respectfully and quietly. Act upon what you learn from the Quran. Recite the Holy Quran with a sincere intention for Allah's prayer.
Guard your tongue and speak only with respect while reciting.
Avoid all forms of disrespect or negligence toward the Quran.
Try to recite the Holy Quran in a beautiful voice. Don't place the Quran on the ground. Instead, place it on the high shelf or in next place.
Make dua after reciting the Quran and let the Quran be alive in your life.